Used to get this big bag. Oh, it's a box. Oh, I know what this is. Ice skates.
No way.
Yes way.
Who got you that?
Grandma and Grandma Drive. That's one. Those are sharp blades.
Whoa, those look nice.
They're really sharp. Blades. The blades on them on a like ice skate, you never want to touch. They can be razor sharp. They are very sharp.
Cool. We'll leave that on then.